Clapperboard, background music intensifies. Police car light stop scrolling. What if I told you that a simple coin in your pocket, yes, just $1, could be worth thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars today? Moneybag, we're talking about a 1979 $1 coin that collectors are scrambling to find, and you might just have one lying around right now. Chart increasing, some of these ultra-rare coins have been auctioned off for as high as $15,000 to $30,000 or more. In this video, we'll uncover which $1,979 coins are worth a fortune, what makes them rare, and how to identify the jackpot version sitting in your change jar. Segment 1. The history of the 1979 $1 coin. Let's rewind to 1979, the year the U.S. Mint introduced a brand new dollar coin to replace the bulky Eisenhower dollar. It was named the Susan B. Anthony dollar, honoring the legendary women's rights activist, the first woman to appear on a circulating U.S. coin. The coin had high hopes. It was smaller, more practical, and aimed to modernize American currency. But despite the noble intent, it flopped. People confused it with quarters due to its size and color. Vending machines rejected it, and consumers ignored it. The Susan B. Anthony dollar quickly faded from circulation, but not before a few ultra-rare versions slipped into the wild. And that's where the story gets interesting. Segment 2, the rare varieties, what makes them valuable? So, what makes certain 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollars worth serious money? There are a few key rare varieties, but the crown jewel is the 1979 P wide rim, near date, variety. Spotting the difference. On most 1979 coins minted in Philadelphia, marked by a P, there's a noticeable gap between the coin's date and the rim, known as the narrow rim version. It's common and not worth much over face value. White heavy checkmark 1979 P wide rim value. If you have this version, hold on tight, especially if it's in mint state. Here's the kind of value you're looking at. MS65, mint state $65,500 to $1,000. MS67 and above, $2,000 to $6,000. Highest graded, MS68 or perfect strike up to $15,000 to $30,000 at auction. That's right, a coin that was worth just $1 in 1979 can now be worth more than a brand new car. But that's not the only variety worth big bucks. Segment 3, other valuable 1979 $1 coins to watch for. Magnifying glass tilted left proof coins, 1979 S-Type 2. The U.S. Mint also struck proof versions of the Susan B. Anthony dollar, meant for collectors. These are ultra-shiny coins with mirror-like finishes, sold in special sets. In 1979, the San Francisco Mint produced two versions of these proof coins. Type 1, filled S common. Type 2, clear S extremely rare. Money with wings. The Type 2 clear S has a sharply defined mint mark, and it's one of the most sought-after proofs from this era. In PR70 Deep Cameo, it is sold for $5,000 to $15,000 plus. Brain bonus tip, always check your coin's mint mark and rim spacing under a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Those small details are worth big money. Segment 4, how to check if you have a rare one. Here's how to check if you've got a valuable $1,979 coin. Flip your coin and check the date spacing. If the 1979 is close to the rim, you might have the wide rim variety. Look for the mint mark. P equals Philadelphia, check for wide rim. D equals Denver, mostly common. S equals San Francisco, check for Type 2 clear S proof coins. Condition matters. Higher grades equals higher value. Coins with no scratches, wear, or tarnish can skyrocket in value. If you're unsure, take it to a coin dealer or get it professionally graded by companies like PCGS or NGC. They'll verify authenticity and give you an official grade, crucial if you want top dollar at auction. Outro, build excitement and encourage action. Party popper. So, next time you dig through your piggy bank, spare change drawer, or that old coin collection from Grandpa, keep your eyes peeled. That unassuming $1,979 coin might just be your ticket to thousands, even tens of thousands, of dollars. Magnifying glass tilted left. Want to see what these coins actually look like? Stick around for the next segment where I'll show high-definition close-ups and how to spot these treasures. Pushpin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might be sitting on a gold mine without even knowing it. And drop a comment below if you've got one of these coins. I want to hear your story. Speech balloon. Remember, every coin has a story. And sometimes, that story is worth a fortune.